What if your hands could glide like water and hit like a drum? Today I'm going to teach you a routine that is made by two techniques, tapping and sliding.
Michael.
I created this routine to teach you about how you can use tapping and slide with other dance elements like directions, like space and levels, different rhythms, different ranges, and how you can change the structure that I created for you in order to learn how to freestyle with these elements and these tools.
Michael.
One and two, one and two, one and two, and one and two, and. Three and four. Again, three and four. One and two and three and four. One, two, three, four. One, two, three, and four. Again, one, two, three, and four. One, two, three, four. One, two.
Michael.
Well done, my friend. Remember that you need to take time. You have to go slowly because it's more about quality than quantity. And after that, all of the materials that you've learned become easy and you can use them without even thinking about them. So make sure that you take as much as time as you can. At the end of this tutorial, I want to give you a challenge and if you accept this challenge, you can do what I'm telling you right now. First of all, please take your time and learn the routine that I've created for you. I need a video, a 1-minute video that you are performing this routine. At the beginning of the video, you are performing this routine. After that, I need you to change the structure and freestyle at the same moment that you're dancing. Post this video on your Instagram and mention my page, my Instagram account. On May 29th, I will announce the winner. I will organize an online practice session with one lucky person. So make sure that you subscribe my channel and follow my Instagram so I can watch your videos. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope you've learned a lot. See you next week. Bye bye.